In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Cloudways. If you've just bought a domain from a registrar and you want to connect it to your Cloudways application, there's one important thing to understand first. Cloudways is not a domain registrar, so this connection does not happen automatically. To make everything work properly, you need to point your domain's DNS records to your Cloudways server and then map that domain inside Cloudways itself. After that, you'll secure it with SSL so your site loads over HTTPS. To begin, log into your Cloudways account and open the application section from the top menu. Select the application you want to connect to your custom domain. On the access details page, find the public IP address. This is the server address your domain needs to point to. Copy that IP address because you'll use it in the next part. Now open a new tab and sign in to the company where you purchased your domain. Go to the DNS settings area, which may be called Advanced DNS Management, or something similar depending on the provider. If you see old A records or parking records that are no longer needed, remove them so they don't conflict with the new setup. Next, add a new A record. For the host field, enter the @ symbol, which represents the root domain. In the value field, paste the public IP address you copied from Cloudways. Set the TTL to automatic or 1 hour, then save the record. After that, add one more record, this time a CNAME. Set the host to www and point the value or target to your root domain. This helps make sure both versions of your site, with and without www, lead visitors to the same place. Once the DNS records are saved, go back to Cloudways. In the Application Management menu, click Domain Management. In the primary domain field, enter your root domain name exactly as you want it to be used on your website. Then click Set Primary. This tells Cloudways which domain your application should respond to. After that, open the SSL certificate section from the same sidebar. Enter an email address and your mapped domain, then click Install Certificate. Cloudways will use Let's Encrypt to issue a free SSL certificate, which secures your site and enables HTTPS. Finally, take a moment to verify everything. Make sure your domain is showing correctly in domain management. Confirm the SSL certificate installed successfully, and double check that your DNS records point to the correct public IP. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. So if the site does not update immediately, wait a little and check again. Once that's done, your domain